time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2002 Ford Thunderbird Roadster convertible. Both tops, soft top, hard top. This one's black exterior with the dark charcoal leather interior. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles at a little over 44,000. And we'll check it out here in a little bit. Look over the interior closer, and I will show you the miles. Start it up, let you hear it run, but first take a good look at that front fascia. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, over 100 and some pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now, with the black exterior, you are going to see imperfections in the paint here and there. Still has a nice luster to it. It's one of those cars. Get in and drive it, enjoy it, have a little fun. Riding on 17-inch aftermarket wheels, Vox brand, and Pirelli tires. Take a look up and down the passenger side. You can see a nice reflection coming off of that. Not really full of nicks, dings, or scratches. It's just the black paint. Shows its age a little bit. Interior, again, a charcoal, or I would say ebony, dark charcoal, leather interior, bucket seats. Center console. V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. And we're going to pop the hood, take a look at that here in just a bit, let you see the engine bay too. But first of all, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Hard top right there, and we are going to put that on. You'll be able to check that out in the still pictures. I'll do a little video with the hard top on the car before we finalize this video. I'll also put the soft top up. We'll check that out. You can see the still pictures with all those tops on the car, top down. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And again, you can see nice reflection coming off that black paint. Black cloth top. A few little scratches and what have you probably put on from the top going on and off is what I would guess. Little one over here also. And again, there are some imperfections you can kind of see in the paint. Checking a little bit, if you will. All right, let's flip up, take a look at this interior a little closer. Of course, power windows, power locks, cruise, power mirrors, all your modern amenities that you're going to have on a later model Thunderbird. Floor mats and seats. See, the seats are in good shape. Yes, you're going to have some wrinkling. They're leather. It's going to wrinkle like a pair of leather shoes from being worn, just with the natural hide or leather coat. But no rips, tears, holes. Steering wheel controls for cruise and also for radio. Go ahead and fire this up. All right, there's your exact miles. Sorry, I said 44,000 earlier. 48,765 it is. So 48,765 confirmed miles, actual, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and you can also see no warning lights, check engine, anything like that. Just the seat belt. I don't have that on, so you got the seat belt light on. AM FM CD player with a 6 CD in console changer. Dual electronic climate control. Here's your power top. Take a look at the dash. And I tell you what, let's go ahead and run that top up. You'll see that the power top works. You'll see it in the rear mirror a little bit there. Alright, let's latch it down tight. Alright, as easy as that to put it up. Pop the hood at the same time. So here's the top. So again, black cloth, power, glass rear window with rear defrost. Of course, the black, you're going to see a little lint and dust in here and there. But as far as keeping you dry out of the sun, gonna serve the purpose just fine. You want to drive around with the AC on, keep you cool. But how many times are you gonna have the top up on this car? Let's be serious. Have some fun with the wind in your hair. All right, exhaust, what you'd expect. No crazy aftermarket exhaust, anything like that. Let's slip up to the front. Let's check out this engine bay, and I'll get that hard top on for us. We'll be able to check that out too. All right, take a look at that hood liner. Well, this car has not been driven any sort of inclement weather. Very clean hood liner. There's that V8, 3.9 liter. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. It's a nicely equipped, stock-looking engine bay, which you'd expect on a 2002 Ford Thunderbird. All right, let me go ahead and button this hood up. I'm going to put that top back down so we get the hard top on, and take a look at that, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And the hard top on. So take a look at the fit. Up above the windshield, you can see the finish on it is nice. Of course, the porthole, harkening back to the 56 and 57 Baby Birds. Rear glass window with rear defrost. See, it fits nicely on the car itself. Also, obviously, a couple people job to remove. Take on and off. A lot of reflection from lights on that side. All right, and there you have it with the hard top also. 2002 Ford Thunderbird convertible roadster. Both tops. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Take you right there, and remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you